Every order you fulfill touches at least one of 4 regulatory regimes, sometimes all 4 at once. This is MLC 2006, CODEX, Customs and Sanctions Compliance for Ship Chandlers, the comprehensive seminar built specifically for people who supply vessels. This course comes from World Maritime Academy, in association with ISSA, the International Ship Suppliers and Services Association, built specifically for the ship supply industry, not adapted from a general compliance course. Most ship chandlers learn compliance the hard way. After a port state control deficiency, a food safety complaint, a customs delay, or a sanctions screening gap. None of that has to happen to you. We built this seminar to close that gap completely. 6 sessions, a full quiz bank, and a certificate of completion, everything you need to operate with confidence, in one place. By the end, you'll be able to explain the MLC 2006 provisions that matter for ship supply, implement CODEX food safety standards, be confident with customs clearance, and identify sanctions risk before it becomes a liability. The seminar moves through regulatory frameworks, MLC 2006, Codex Alimentarius, customs law, international sanctions, and practical compliance tools, then puts it all together in an advanced case studies optional self-assessment quiz, built from real-world scenarios.
Your instructors, Olkistis Anastasiou, lawyer specializing in maritime and international law, and Dr. Katerina Kunster, CEO, World Maritime Academy, are highly accomplished professionals with a wealth of expertise in the field. Both are here to guide you every step of the way. This seminar is designed to fit around your work, your commitments, and your pace. Learn when it suits you, take a break when you need to, and come back when you're ready. Your schedule. Your pace. Your learning. Are you ready to elevate your knowledge and skills? Enroll today. Build your competitive advantage.
You will find the information about this course on the WMA site. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@e-wma.com.